Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your specialist. So we were showing you earlier on this unit, and the backing plates were all greased up, and he's got the old backing plate now inside the Lippert box. And that's Gino in the background, straightening out the springs and putting in the bronze bushings. But what we're going to show you is that now this is a Lippert axle, and there's an identification tag right there that says Lippert and LCI on it. And so we're using Lippert backing plates, which is really common. We purchased the Lippert brand. I mean, we can get Dexter, and then there's aftermarket ones as well. But we purchased the Lippert versions because it's something that we, install quite a bit. When it comes to the backing plates, there's basically two common sizes. There's a 12-inch, which that's what this is, and then there's a 10-inch. And so, we feel that since we do a bunch of Lippert warranty, if there's an issue with the brakes, then we're covered. But anyways, this is the new backing plate. They are noted for a left and a right side. So if you go online, make sure that you're getting both. As you can see, those two part numbers right there. Make sure that you're getting both the left and the right hand side of those. So this, like I said, this is on a unit that was on a 2015, and it's getting all new backing plates because the grease seal had failed and saturated the brakes. Again, here's where the grease seal was failing and throwing all the grease, got it all over the magnet surface, and then it actually had particles that are broke off in the hub. So when you turn the hub, as we were taking the wheels off the unit, you could hear stuff rolling around inside there. And so that unit is out here on the lot, and the guys are currently fixing 10 frame cracks on it. And you can see now it's finally stopped raining out here for the day, and they've got their tents out here, and it is March 28th. And so they're out there underneath welding on it, getting that all squared away. And that's something that actually the manufacturer's taking care of paying for. So anyways, if you have a Grand Design or a frame or another brand, cabin frame issues, give us a shout. Thanks so much for watching. Dustin, Gino, the Urban Specialist.